In this video, we are going to see how to download Docker Desktop in Windows 11. Okay, now open your browser and just search for Docker Desktop. Okay, just go ahead and click on the first link and download Docker Desktop. If you're using a Mac, you can just select your choice, and mine is Windows, so I'm just going to click on Windows. Okay, so it will get download according to your network speed. Just wait for it. Once it's get downloaded, just click on this. Okay, click on OK. So now you just have to click go close and restart. Okay, so I've just restarted my computer. So here our Docker desktop is downloaded. Click on accept and just create your account. If you don't have an account, you can just skip it. Okay, so now you have the dashboard. So the resources, how it's going to be using. So yes, we have successfully downloaded our Docker desktop in our Windows 11. So follow for more.